Hello friends, good evening. How are you? Hope you are good. Yesterday, Business Standard Faculty Learning Program of Professor N.J. Xavier's session was so nice. It was wonderful and more thoughtful practices regarding skills and strategies in the post-COVID-19 period, what we are going to do, what the institutions, higher education institutions, they are going to proceed further. So he has listed out his thoughts, his best practices. So the faculty members, the intellectual capital, what they are going to do further. So that has been listed by him in a successful manner. For example, the anecdote which started with 3 people, a priest, doctor and assistant professor. What was their thoughts, he listed over, and later he mentioned about the job scenario, the overall job scenario, how it would be, and what are the various sectors which would be successful related to higher education, entertainment, media, which sectors it would be booming over, it would have a boom, and which sectors there will be a recession, because most of the sectors it would be under recession because money is not there, money is not available, so it would be in a recession stage only. Definitely it will be there. How we are going to proceed further, IT industry and other various sectors, media, cinema, entertainment, everything. So he listed over it. So it was good, it was very nice to mention all the practices, what has been said by him. So therefore, we need to carefully take care all these steps, we need to follow all these steps, and how we are going to survive higher education institutions, because admissions is not there now, and payment of fees, it will be a major problem. Paying the fees, it would be a major issue, because the financial constraints, financial chunk is available, financial crunch is there. So people, they won't come forward to pay the fees for their children. So, and other aspects he discussed over it. So I am very much thankful to Mr. Jairam of Business Standard, and who has organized this meeting, who has organized this webinar, and what the faculty should carry forward. The concept of virtual learning, he mentioned about the concept of virtual learning, the blended learning. Virtual learning shall be the future. Virtual learning shall be the future, and blended learning shall be the future for the faculty members, for the institutions, for the other academic bodies. So that has been mentioned in his speech. So we need to carry forward all those things, and what steps we are going to take it forward. So let's hope the best. Thank you very much.